have no idea. I have no idea how this is done. This is like I'm just picking this up on a relay. You have to be really careful. Alright, the chain is wrapped around it, which is correct. I want to stand away from this. In case it decides to pop open by itself. Take the cheater pipe. Get it up there. You don't want to open it up now, because that pipe is going to go flying if you do. As far up as you can get it. Want one hand like this. Keep your face and your body away from it. You guys need to get back there in case the pipe flies. Over there would be a good idea. Right? Get a good grip on it. Right? See how it pops open?
Yep.
Now, if I were to let go.
What the fuck? It's flying, that's so dangerous.
Oh, that chick could kill somebody. Imagine you could hit the thing.
Yeah, it's
Don't tell
gonna.
anybody I did that.
Right.
Did what?
Got it on video. It's flying. That's dangerous.
I'll use both hands.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's why you hang on to it, and that's why you got to be really careful. Right? So when you hook it back up again, that's where you want that to be. Okay? That's where you want the lever to be. You don't want it here. That's way too tight. You think that went far? One guy did this. Somebody tightened it up so tight, he must have gone at least 20 feet all the way over.
Oh,
That's how powerful it is when you when you unsnap it. Right? So when you snap it, it's the opposite. Slide the pipe down, and if it's hard, you walk it up. Get a good stance. Pipe out. Give it a hit. Now you gotta get it back out. Good grip. Release it. Hold on to it. Let it snap. Chain off. Guys, keep your work area neat, organized. Hang it up. Now, notice the way the looker now is pointing out. Good. That's the way it's supposed to be. Chain. You're up. Point,
just like
Taking
touching
the
it, you
chains
know what I
out,
mean?
everything out.